File picture. The North American Aerospace Defense Command says 2 F-22 and 2 CF-18 fighter jets identified 2 Russian Tu-160 Blackjack strategic bombers that were entering an area patrolled by the Royal Canadian Air Force on Saturday morning. There were no reports of conflict between the Russian and the U.S. and Canadian jets. NORAD says it uses radar, satellites and fighter aircraft to patrol the skies and monitor aircraft entering U.S. or Canadian airspace. NORAD tweeted, an E-3 AWACS, 2X F-22, 2X CF-18 fighter jets from NORAD positively identified 2X Russian Tu-160 Blackjack strategic bombers entering the Canadian Air Defense Identification Zone on January 26, 2019. The U.S. Air Force sent planes from their air base in Alaska.